Wanna learn how to fix your login error of your Vimeo app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store, just like this. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Insert your Vimeo and tap on this particular app. And then check if your app is updated. You can see you'll get an option of update if your app hasn't been updated yet. But since I've already updated my app, there's no option like this. Still, you can tap on it and see that when was it last updated. This could be the very first reason of you facing the login error. That means your app hasn't updated yet. Make sure to get it updated. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone and then search for the apps option. You can tap on apps and then tap on manage apps below. Search for the particular app just like this, and even the app info as per your mobile phone application. And then tap on the search among on the top. You can insert your Vimeo and then tap on this particular app. On the bottom, you have 3 of the option. That is, first up, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data next to uninstall. Tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK. By clearing all of the cache, you have just removed all of the unrequired junks from your particular app. Well, this could be the second reason of you facing the login error. So make sure to get rid of all of the unrequired filthy junks. And the third one is to go to Vimeo app itself and then drag it and make it uninstall by tapping on this uninstall option and go to this Play Store back again, and then try installing it once again. Reinstalling your app will also help you fix your login error, which is the third one. So I have just told you 3 of the ways to solve it. I'm sure that it will help you. You can go and try all of them. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.